Here's I'm going to show you how to paste an image into selection. First of all, go ahead and select a selection tool, and you have to select your subject where you want to paste an image. So I'm selecting my subject just like this. Now go to the image, which image you want to paste into selection. Make sure to unlock the image layer and then go to select, click on all, and then click on edit, and then just copy the image. Go back to your main project where you want to paste the image, and then go to edit, hover over on paste special, and click on paste into, and then simply change your image size just like this. And this is how we can actually paste any image into selection. And here you can see the final result before and after. Thanks for watching.